Assalamu alaikum. I'm Arifujaman. My ID is 18115113225. So now I discuss our project of coding part. So this is our Arduino coding part. So firstly, I just describe this part. So firstly uses the just library, some library. This library uses for the connection. So first have the wire.h library. Wire.h library uses for the I2C chips, and this I2C chips working system is the sensor all connection handle for this library. Then I uses the ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h library. This library uses for the NodeMC. So NodeMC working system is the NodeMC module. Wi-Fi connection system is the Wi-Fi uh, directly transfer for the data for server. So then I uses the library Blinks Blink Simple ESP8266. So this library uses for the mobile application. This mobile application show the body temperature and fall detection alarm. Then the uses the one wire.h and device temperature.h for the uses the body temperature sensor working system. Then one wire dot d4. This D4 uses the circuit of connection of the D4 pin. So this cause uses the D4. Then blanket timer uses for the timing maintain process. Uh, then uh, then I needed input MU address 0x86 to I2C address for the MPU 6050. then I uh, then I give the integer accelerometer x angle, y angle, and z angle, and gyroscope y angle, x angle, y angle, and z angle. Then the output is equal to x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. All result is 0, and I just uses the boolean I just that's the boolean equal to false for the and trigger 1 equal to false, and trigger 2 equal to false, and trigger 3 equal to false, and trigger I just uses for the false because project open time don't give me any result. This cause I uses all trigger equal to false, and trigger count equal to 0. So then I using the character equal to the first at equal to this name, and this is the id, and this is the password for uses the modem connection, because I just uses this project of the modem. uh, this project always changes the area. So this cause I use this modem, but future life I just use this time I connected the house of Wi-Fi connection. This float temp equal to 0. Then void setup serial.begin equal serial.begin 9600, and blanky begin equal to at site and password. This part is called the uh, this part is called the this site, this connecting site. So then wire dot begin transmission MP equal to address, wire writing equal to 0x6 B equal to power meter 1 resistor, and wire writing 0 equal to set to 0 work up the woke up the MPU 6050, where in transmission equal to true, sensor begin, timer sent interval 1 to 50 L cent temperature. For this part calling for the show temperature, then void send temp sensor requesting and temp equal to sensor dot get temp if by index. If by index is for the Fahrenheit temperature. This application show the Fahrenheit temperature. Banky virtual write v1 equal to temp. Uh, Firstly, this sensor maintain this temperature. Then this temperature give me the this temperature give the applications, and this application show the Fahrenheit temperature. Now I just discuss void loop. So blank dot run and timer dot run. uh, then mp read equal to accelerometer x equal to acx minus 2050. um, by the This is the formula. MP read this xyz and accelerometer for the xyz and gyroscope for the xyz. This all value is the give just and show just formula. Then serial, and I just uses the serial point equal to this result, give me just serially. And now calculate amplitude vector for three axes. Float row amp equal to power dot power accelerometer to. This is the formula. I This formula uses this value. So multiple by 10 because value are between 0 to 1. If amplimeter value uh, 2 equal to and but 2 of low, and trigger 2 equal to false. If am if amplimeter breaks low threshold 0.4 G, trigger equal to true. If equal to trigger 1 equal to true, trigger trigger 1 count plus, and amplimeter value is 0 equal to and lowest 0. And if amplimeter break upper 1003 G, and trigger 2 equal to 2, trigger 1 equal to false, and trigger count equal to 0. If trigger 2 equal to true and trigger 2 count plus, uh, angle change power. This is the formula. Just uses this formula and give the value and count this answer. If orientation change by between 8 to 100 degree, trigger 3 equal to true and trigger 2 equal to false, trigger 2 count equal to 0. Serial print. The serial print is the result show just serially. And and if trigger 3 equal to true and trigger 3 count 5 equal 5 or lowest 5. So this is the formula. And if oriented change the 1 to 10 degree. And now this area uses the serial for the result show serially. Yields user remain normal organization orientation. Trigger 3 equal to false and trigger 3 count equal to 0. Then if fall equal to true, if event is fall detection, is trying ms body fall detection take action immediately, and patient body temperature show patient body temperature message body count content temp equal to temp fee. Blank notify alarm and fall detection. These parties show this app alarming time. This writing part is show this application. and this is my mail. I just uses the mini mail. Your all family members give the mail, and this fall detection time and fall detection time give the result all mail. But now I this time I use this just one mail. So this project running time, one show the for alarm, show the alarm this app, and give the uh, mail for just the blank email I use this time. So nice serial print, and if trigger to equal to 20 and allow 0.5 second for the orientation change. Mm, this project had the no delay time. This delay time is the 0.5 second. 0.5 equal to 1 seconds of low. So this is very good. So by the delay equal to 90, void MPU read or the begin transmission MPU address, or write OX3B is training or register OX3B XL stroke A's. Wire dot in transmission equal to false. In transmission equal to false mean project running finishing time is the result 0, and this 0 cause next project opening time is the result 0. So wire request for the MPU address 142, request a total for the 14 registers. Then AC equal to wire dot read equal to wire dot read 8 less than, and wire read equal to um, XL extra equal to ACE and 0x3C. This is the gyroscope and accelerometer uh, coding part. So this is our coding part, and I just describe my coding. So thank you so much for my listening coding part, and again thank you so much.